You get the keys, and then you get the avalanche. Utilities to transfer, an address to change in 40 places, several of which carry real deadlines, a home warranty nobody explained, and a building full of things whose location only the previous owner knows, starting with the main water shutoff, which you will need to find exactly once in the dark, in a hurry. Most people run that year out of a browser with 11 tabs open and a printed checklist from the moving company. By month 3, both are gone. This is the alternative, one workbook you own, where 2 dates run everything: your closing date and your move-in day. 60 setup tasks are sequenced from before closing through month 12, and every one of them says which of those 2 dates it counts from. Because if you close a month before you move, the walkthrough and the wire transfer have to stay attached to the closing, while the mail forward follows the move. Set the dates and every due date, days left figure, and flag fills itself in. 40 accounts to open or notify, and not one shared deadline among them. Internet installation wants 4 weeks, because the appointment is the bottleneck. Homeowners insurance wants 6, because the lender will not fund without it. A driver's license address is not a lead time at all. It is a legal deadline that starts after you move. 8 windows instead of 1, so the list actually sequences itself instead of turning red all on the same Tuesday. Then there is what only the seller knows. 35 things to find and write down in the first weeks, while the rooms are still empty enough to get a ladder into. The shutoffs, the panel, the filter size, how old the water heater really is. 17 are marked critical. Not the most expensive things in the house, but the ones you might need to find with water coming through a ceiling. The dashboard counts those separately. The warranty index is the tab that pays for the binder. Give a row a start date and a term, and it computes the expiry, the status, and any registration deadline. It is precise about this because the internet is not. For a basic appliance warranty in the United States, failing to send the card generally does not void your cover. Where it genuinely bites is extended plans, promotional term extensions, and contractor warranties, several of which are worth thousands, and all of which have short windows. There is a second trap too. A seller-paid home warranty often runs from when the seller bought it, so a year of cover can have 4 months left. And this is the tab that outlives the first year. Printed checklists all die the same way. They are a list of dates, the dates pass, and by spring the paper is a record of a month you already lived. Here, every job carries a cadence. Enter the date you did it, and the next due date rolls forward by whole intervals, landing on the first occurrence at or after today. So a job you skipped for 2 cycles reads overdue instead of quietly rescheduling itself into next year. That is why the file is still right in year 4. All of it rolls up onto one screen with nothing to fill in. What day of the first year you're on, what is overdue, how much of the house you have actually learned, and how many critical shutoffs you still have not found. What expires in the next 60 days, and the figure that is on no document you were handed at closing. What this house costs to run, per month and per year, worked out from how each account is actually billed. 10 connected tabs in Excel, a one-click native Google Sheets copy, and 3 PDF guides, including a first-week walkthrough of 6 zones and 35 things to find, and printable pages for the cabinet door. It opens pre-filled with a clearly fictional example so you can see the whole thing working before you type anything. And the file is yours. No login, no subscription, nothing that expires. The new homeowner move-in and first-year setup binder from Ardent Workshop.